So the first thing we're going to do is delete the default cube, so make sure it's highlighted, type X, and then select delete. Now we're going to add a UV sphere by going to Add, then Mesh, then select UV sphere. Now let's zoom in on our model to give us a better view. And let's press 1 on the numpad to switch to front orthographic view. Switch over to edit mode, and we're going to turn on X-ray mode. We're going to deselect the sphere by clicking anywhere on the viewport. And now we're going to type B to do a box select, and we're going to select all the way down past the centered line. We're going to delete the upper part of the sphere by typing X and then selecting faces. Let's use the middle mouse button to angle our sphere, and then we're going to switch to object mode. Once in object mode, we are going to apply a shade smooth, as so. That looks nice. Now we're going to go to the Modifiers tab and select Solidify. And let's adjust the thickness to 0.08 and make sure even thickness and fill are checked. And there we have it.